So question 14, we have an application. A telephone company offers a monthly cellular phone plan for $24.99. It includes 350 anytime minutes plus 20 cents per minute for additional minutes. The following function is used to compute the monthly cost for a subscriber, where X is the number of anytime minutes used. Luckily, our phone plans are not as complicated as they used to be, but you still got to read the fine print on your phone plans. But back in the day, it was even a lot more complicated. So the function is C stands for our cost function, where X is going to be the number of anytime minutes. So the cost of $24.99 is only going to occur as long as we stay between 0 and 350, including 350. But once we go over 350, we then have to use this function, which is going to be this 20 cents times anytime minutes minus this $45 and a penny. So that's the function that they've come up with if we're over 350 minutes. So if we want to determine the cost of using 230 minutes, well, since we didn't exceed the 350, the cost should stay as $24.99. Now, the cost of 420 minutes, notice how that exceeds our 350. So we have to use this function here. So to do this one, the cost of 420 minutes, anytime minutes, is going to be 0.20 times the 420 minus the 45.01. So if we put it in the calculator, 0.20 times the 420, and then subtract the 4.5 and a penny, that gives us $38.99. That sounds reasonable for our problem. Also, my thinking is 20 cents for additional minutes. So another way I was thinking is if you go 350 take away 420, or 420 take away 350, that's not extra minutes that went over. If I multiply that by 20 cents and then add that to the $24.99, add the 14 to that. Notice that does give me the same answer of $38.99. So I could also kind of do it by hand and not use the function. So the cost of 351 minutes should just be an extra 20 cents on the 24. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, it should be $24.99 plus 20 cents. So 24.99 plus 20 cents more should give me the answer of 25.19. Now, if I want to use the cost function, so the cost of 351 is going to be 0.20 times this 351 minus the 45.01. So I check it out there and see if the cost function gives me the same thing. 0.20 times 351 minus 45 and a penny. That gives me 24.19 as well. So it does give me the same thing. So all these answers do say round to the nearest cent. So we do want to carry it out to the hundredths place. So that would be the answers to the application.